we are taking the first step towards building a new front door to the Port of Tacoma, which is made even more exciting by the inclusion of the Tacoma Public Schools' new Maritime Skills Center.
Maritime 253 will prepare our young people for high demand, livable wage careers in shipbuilding, in logistics and engineering, environmental sciences, and other related areas.
It is so inspiring on so many levels to be here for this groundbreaking today and to see these kinds of partnerships develop, this kind of creativity that comes from the school district and the port.
You could have just built your own building and been done with it, but you thought bigger than that. And you thought about how can we truly leverage this opportunity into something bigger for the entire community?
I just can't be more excited about the opportunity that we've got here to get the kids in our community connected into the job opportunities in the Tide Flats. It's going to be a project that we're going to be proud of for generations.